Believe in him.
Believe in him, and he will help thee. Order thy way aright, and hope in him. Sirach 2 verse 6 is more than a comfort. It is a strategic blueprint for the frequency we are called to operate in as the elect. It begins with the foundation of belief, but it quickly moves into a mandate for action. Order thy way aright. In the context of a tribunal, order is everything. To order your way aright means to step into your proper jurisdiction. It means aligning your thoughts, your home, and your spirit with the Father's divine timing. You aren't just waiting for help. You are setting the atmosphere so that help has a landing strip. When you intentionally order your path, you are telling the world and the enemy exactly who has authority over your gates. Then comes the final instruction. Hope in him. This isn't a fragile, wishing kind of hope. This is the confident expectation of a council member who knows the decree has already been signed. Believe, order, hope. This is the sequence of restoration. Believe in him, and he will help thee. Order thy way aright, and hope in him. Sirach 2 verse 6. The word is spoken, the order is set, and the frequency is secure.